My name's Matt Calhoun. I'm the president of CALco. We're a pallet manufacturer and recycler in the Chicagoland area.
We started off in 2007, just my brother and I repairing pallets ourselves. Grew well over to 150 at our CALco manufacturing operation.
Diesel runs our business from top to bottom. Right? It powers our semi-trucks, our grinders, and all of our small equipment in between.
Our trucks are doing daily deliveries, 2 to 3 deliveries a day. They'll deliver a load of pallets, and then the empty trailer will run over to another customer and switch out a load of scrap pallets. We recycle virtually everything here. There's almost no waste. We started about 11 years ago. I'm just continuing to add trucks to our fleet. And so they're doing, city miles all day long, which everybody knows is tougher on a truck than those long highway miles.
So it's very important to us to have a good, reliable, clean diesel product.
Since we've switched to Mobil Diesel Efficient, the fuel mileage has increased a little bit, and over time that adds up.
Fuel mileage seems to have gone up, even so much as the exhaust coming out of the stack doesn't seem to be as dirty as it used to be.
Good quality diesel is going to help prevent clogs on the fuel filter, especially in the winter when icing is a problem.
You get cheap fuel, especially in the wintertime, plugs up, gels up, truck is done. You can shut the truck down, you can be sitting there for hours or days waiting to get fixed. If that happens, you lose revenue, you lose loads, you lose time at home.
We don't run into issues with water in the filters, we don't gel in the wintertime, we don't have injection problems.
It used to regen on a regular basis. The truck bogs down on you all the time and it's not as efficient, it doesn't run as well, and it's not doing that at all anymore.
Equipment uptime is everything in our line of business, especially since it's such a short season that we work with to move our product. So we need to rely on our product to run 12 hours a day, every day, 6 to 7 days a week during our mulch manufacturing season. Diesel is not something that you want to have to worry about, and using Mobil Diesel Efficient, we have no problems.
The better the trucks run, the happier the drivers are. Less time in the shop, more time on the road.
Here at CALco, our fleet is powered by Mobil Diesel Efficient.